Kajialang kenuhun Menteri Sorkar MDA2 hakan nok pai sengi jong ka artare unailar arjar pulai kala pentip bakal dapat pynbiang egi service rules jong ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission kata hakabay day berkatungkam tungjam. Haba pentip ya kene sikilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Meghalaya u konrat ki sang ma uloong. Baka Sorkar kan pynkhreh ru egi service rules hagi tanat traikam bapher jong ka Sorkar Jylla. Ulang baka Jylla haki post nam ki belayat khamat kita nak traikam ka Sorkar Jylla kim don ya ki service rules.
Service rules of the MPSC. As you're aware that the MPSC has been functional for decades, but it did not have service rules for the employees out there, and hence today in the cabinet we have finally cleared the service rules of the MPSC. The first agenda was the clearing of the service rules of the MPSC. Every department has service rules which determine the different things of aspects of promotion and the different posts and all the different procedures that are followed. Basic service rules which are there in every department. MPSC was functioning without service rules for the last many decades. In fact, many departments have been functioning without service rules for many decades. In the last 5 years, in the first term of this government, and now in continuing, we have made extra effort to ensure that the MPSC rules are, the service rules are there in place for all the departments, and in line with that particular objective, the MPSC rules, finally the service rules have been notified today.
Shimya ka kabu siya ka lawe ka bakwat bakya da ka bapiwan man pa pet batsya sumar haka the Shillong Heart Clinic ka badan Hanongram Hills Shillong pila ban phone ne pa message ban bu por yakindo ba Dr. Sinrang Batngan Wadri u Dr. Bala Pintibit haka ban sumar jing pang klong snam ka clinic ka play man ka sngi light no haka sngi ublay na do ka khatwe baje min step hado and re baje janme